What is up, guys, and welcome back. So you can see that now our domain has been propagated, and it's been like only 30 minutes, not more than that. And you can see that if I refresh this, you can see that this page is being loaded. So this is how it works. If I want to add anything right here, this will appear. Okay, so let's just check this. Okay, if I want to add a file, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna hit add file, and the file name is going to be hello.html. Okay, and I want to hit create new file. So there you can see that it says hello.html. I want to edit this HTML edit. Okay, and let's hit edit. So here now you can see that I will edit this whole HTML, and then let's see how this file is gonna look. So I want to add hello world. Okay, and I'm gonna hit save now. So now let's go ahead and let's view our page. Let's come here, and I want to hit this. So here, if I now refresh my this page, you're gonna see how this is gonna look. You can see that hello.html is coming, and if I open this up, you can see this is coming hello world. So this is how this domain is propagated, and this is basically called root editor. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna delete this file. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit delete. There we go. Now what I want to install WordPress in this. Okay, so how I'm gonna install this? So we know the first method that how a WordPress is installed. You just have to go to the build a new WordPress site. Okay, and then you have to select your domain name. Okay, so our domain name would be completewpcourse.com. Okay, and I want to just hit next, and the WordPress will be installed in my this directory. So this directory is basically referring to this home or root directory, and this root directory is basically this one. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to then just hit next, and then you have to hit blog title, admin user, first name, last name, and admin email, and then WordPress will be installed on this. But instead, we will be using a different method today. I'm going to show you how this is going to look. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just close this window right now. Okay, you have to go to the HostGator main panel. Okay, and you have to come here, and we basically need to install WordPress in it. So how we're going to do this, let me close all these tabs. Okay, I want to go to wp.org. Okay, it's going to redirect you to wordpress.org. Okay, and then you have to download WordPress. You have to just hit this. It's going to tell you to download. You have to just hit download, and it will be downloaded. So let's go ahead and let's hit download. If existing file is complete, show download complete, otherwise resume it. Okay, you can see that WordPress is right here. The WordPress downloading has been completed. I have to open the folder. This is the folder that is right here. I want to just extract it. Okay, so let's hit extract. Let's hit cancel. Let's just delete this file. Okay, because I have this file right now already, and this is creating some mess. So here should be WordPress. Okay, this is the WordPress. I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna hit extract, and you can see that WordPress should be extracted right now. So here is the WordPress right now. I'm just gonna come here, and here it is, everything. So what I want to do right now, I just want to select all here, and I want to come here and I want to hit add to archive, and this should be zip. Okay, I'm gonna hit OK, and this file is going to be zipped now. So this is my WordPress file basically. I just want to come here, I want to come here, and I want to hit upload. Okay, and here I'm going to upload the file. I'm just gonna hit select file. I'm gonna go to desktop right now, and sorry, I want to go to the downloads file, compressed, and then here should be WordPress, and here's the WordPress.zip. I want to just click this, and you can see that this WordPress is being uploaded. So after this is uploaded, let's wait till it is uploaded. Okay, you can see that it is 100% complete. I'm gonna now go back to this one. So it's going to take me back, and you can see WordPress.zip is right here. I want to come here and I'm going to hit extract, so it should be extracted. Let's hit extract files, and you can see that WordPress zip has been extracted. Now what we need to reload, and you can see that every file is right here. I want to just come here and I want to delete this file. Okay, let's just hit script trash and delete, permanently delete, confirm, and you can see that everything has been deleted. The WordPress.zip has been deleted, and now let's try to view our website. So you can see if I just enter complete wpcourse.com, you can see a window will appear and it will say to set up my WordPress. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit English United States, I'm gonna click continue, and there we go. You can see welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. You'll need to know the following items before proceeding. So I want to know the database name, database username, database password, database host, and table prefix. So what I want to do, I want to just click let's go, and here I am in the WordPress database. So my WordPress database name is going to be, okay, we need to basically create a database now. How we're going to do that? We're going to go down, and here it says PHP my admin, my SQL databases. I want to open this up. Okay. Here I have to create a new database, and this database is going to be complete, complete WP course. Okay, I want to just hit create database. The database should be created. You can see that the database has been created. I'm gonna hit go back, and here we go. You can see that database has been created. Now I want to assign this database a user. So the database user is going to be my own user, so I'm gonna add my own name. That is going to be Tans. I want to enter the password right now. So here we go. The password has been entered. Now what I want to do, I want to hit create user. So the user should be created right now. Okay, the user has been created. Now I want to hit go back. Okay, and I want to go down. And you can see that I have these users right here. So this was the user that was automatically created when we installed WordPress from the website essentials. Okay, so now what we want to do is that we want to add the user to the database. So I want to add this user to this CWP course database. I want to hit add, and you can see that I want to hit all privileges, and I want to hit make changes. Here we go. I want to go back now, and now here you can see that database is this, the privileged user is this, and everything is totally okay. So I want to copy my database name right now. I want to come here to this database name, and I want to paste it. Okay, I want to same like this. I want to enter the username. So my username is going to be, let's come here, and we need to copy this username. Okay, copy, come here and paste. Same like this. We want to enter the password. Okay, and the database host is going to be localhost, and the table prefix. So if you want to run multiple WordPress installation in a single database, change this. So if you want to run a lot of multiple WordPress installation, like if you want to install 3 or 4 WordPress, we will be creating subdomain names here, and we will be moving on with this. So I just want to add a prefix to be WP main. Okay, WP main underscore, and then this. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to now hit submit. And you can see, okay, let's try again. So there is a problem. Okay, I want to come here. I want to make this to be, okay, let's go ahead and let's try to enter this. Basically, I entered the wrong password. That is why it gave me an error. Now let's hit submit. and you can see that everything is done. Now what I have to do, I have to just hit run the install. So you can see that the installation has been completed, and now I have to enter the site title, username, password, email, and search engine visibility. Okay, so now you can see that inside a WordPress database, if I just try to open up the PHP my admin, you can see that here would be all my WordPress database files. Okay, it is redirecting me. Let's wait. And you can see in this panel, I have CWP course. So I have no tables found in this right now. But once I enter the information, I want to enter the information. So my site title is going to be complete WP course. Okay, my username is going to be my name, and here should be my password. So and I want to enter my email address. Okay, and I want to hit install WordPress. Okay, so let's hit this, and you can see that WordPress has been installed. And now when I refresh this, you will see that all the WordPress installation is done here in this database. So I'm basically telling you that what is the backend of WordPress, how WordPress is used, how WordPress is made, and what are everything. So you can see that in this WP main underscore options, I have these: my URL, home, blog name, blog description, admin email, and everything right here. So this is how it works. This is basically WP main underscore options. This is the WP main underscore users, where I will have every user right here, where I will have my password saved and everything. So everything is saved in this basically my SQL password. Okay, so this is how it is working. If I just come here and I just basically hit login, let's hit login, and you can see now I want to add this and I want to also add the password. Okay, here we go. You can see that I am in the dashboard. I can now just hit please update now. So you need to update it. I'm just gonna hit update now, and it is updating. Here we go. You can see that WordPress 4.9.1 has been updated. So this is how our WordPress is looking. We have our complete wpcourse.com up and running totally. Okay, so you can see. So this will be our basically we will create our complete WP course. We'll add information about it, that what this complete WP course is about. But we will be doing that in the later on. First, I will just create a subdomain name. Okay, I'll show you how to create a subdomain name and how can you create so many websites in this. So basically, I want to create so many websites in this. Okay, I want to show you each and everything, that how WordPress is worked, how can you create different type of websites with WordPress. Okay, so I'll show you everything, and we will be moving on with this in the upcoming video. So stay tuned, guys, and bye bye.